Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a remote link cable. The FCA is able to loop through the Deadman Pickle to the next field controller with the remote link cable. First, you connect the remote link cable to the remote out of the first field controller. Then you'll take the cable and put it into the remote in of the second field controller. Of course, you can do that with more field controllers, so I could also use 3 or 4 field controllers if I would like to. When linked up, all field controllers listen to the same Deadman Pickle. So you can enable the Deadman Pickle interlocks and trigger firing on all field controllers with only one hand. For more information on our remote link cables, please check out the accessories on our website pyrodigital.com. Bye!